Welcome to Start Pencil, Basic Understanding Concepts. This class you will learn simplification methods in the mathematics. Hi students, today we will learn something interesting. Okay, most of you know about it, but it's better to be revisited some of the basics. So first I will start with the table. So I will write the second table. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Okay, I'll stop here. Okay, what does it mean by 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8? What does it mean? 2 multiplied by 4. We know that. Let's take the 2 multiplied by 4, that's 8. What does that mean? That means 2 we need to be added 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 8. Instead of writing all these 2 4 times we are talking, that's called 2 4 times 8, right? Similarly, we know that 2 into 4 is equal to 4 into 2. Okay, 2 4 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here 2 times, 4 plus 4. Okay, so that's 8 and this is 8. Okay, both are same. When you are doing the multiplication, that means that many times you need to add the first term. Okay, the second is the times you are adding. So I'll give you an example. When you are talking 12 threes are, okay, that means 12 3 times, right? That's 36, right? Simple. 2 2 2 6 3. Okay, also you will multiply when you are do not know the answer, you will be multiplying like this, right? 3 into 2 6, 3 into 1 3, 36, right? Okay, so when you are talking about 12 ones, we know the 12 threes are 36. When you are writing 12 fours are, it's a very simple, right? Already 12 threes are, we know 36, 12 fours are they're asking, so 36 plus 12, okay, 48. When writing 12 fives are, that is 48 plus 12 means 0 and 60. Now we will talk about something like power. Okay, so when we are writing 2, that means it has the 2 is the one time, the power is 1. Okay, when you are writing 2 square, that means you need to multiply 2 times. Power always showing the how many times you need to multiply the base. Base is the called this 2. How many times you need to multiply the base is showing the power. Okay, so for example, you are writing 2 power 4, that means 2 need to be multiplied by 4 times, right? So you will feel difficult to write 4 if you are multiplying 8 times 9 times, very difficult to write those many multiplications. Okay, instead of simple we can write in the power. Okay, that's why we are denoting the 2 power 4 here instead of writing 4 times 2. Okay, so now you understand now what is it meant. 3 power 4 means 3 need to be multiplied 4 times, right? Okay, so now I will give you the one of the examples. When you are multiplying 3 power 4 into 3 power 2, okay, so how many times you need to multiply it by multiply 3? Here 4 times you need to be multiplied, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then here 2 times you need to be multiplied 3, right? So totally how many times you are multiplying 3? 6 times, right? That is 6 times, 3 power 6. That's the reason we all, when the base is same, we need to be add the powers. Okay, that many times. It's very simple to understand. Okay, how many times you are multiplying 3 here? Totally 6 times you are multiplying. That's the reason when we are multiplying a power m into a power n, when both bases are same, we need to be sum of the powers, like m plus 1 it is coming. Okay, so I'll write another expressions here, like similarly 3 power 4 divided by 3 square. That means how many times you are multiplying 3 here? 4 times, right? Here how many times you are multiplying 3? 2 times. So it 2 will be cancelled. Finally you are multiplying 3 only 2 times. That's the reason when any number coming denominator, we need to subtract 4 minus 2. Okay, so 3 power 4 by 3 power 2 also can be written 3 power 4 minus 2. That means whichever is coming in numerator, we need to be, whichever is coming in the denominator, we need to subtract that. So here 4 minus 2 is subtracting. That I am rewriting here. If it's a power m divided by a power n, that means it's a power m minus n. Okay, that means a number need to multiply m minus n times. That's what here, multiply m plus 1 times. Okay, now I will write one of the quadratic equation. Okay, for example 2x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, it's a quadratic equation. What does it mean? Okay, so when you have the equal sign, means whatever the left side is equal to the right side, right? So this entire the value of here is the 0. That's what it is showing. It's equal to 0. That's almost when you are writing like 0 is equal to 0. Okay, the entire term is 0. Okay, this is also 0, but the x value we need to vary the numbers to satisfy this equation that makes the 0, right? So it's almost like 10 is equal to 10 and 5 is equal to 5. It's like 0 is equal to 0. So the entire 2x square plus 4x minus 5 is a 0. That's why we are equaling to the 0 here, right? Now sometimes we do write, when we write this same equation, I am rewriting here 2x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. We will send other side. Okay, that time we write 2x square over x is equal to 5. So why it is changing this sign when we are sending to other side? Okay, it's very simple to understand. Okay, first thing I'll tell you. Okay, when two numbers are equal, okay, identical, 0 is equal to 0, 10 is equal to 10, or 5 is equal to 5. When you put 5 is equal to 5 here, if you add any number both sides, it won't change anything. For example, 10 I will add either sides. 10 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5. It's the same 15. Okay. Okay. Again for this equation, I will subtract both sides 2. Okay. Then 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2. It won't change the number. It won't change because it's again equal to 3 equal to 3. Okay. For the same 5 is equal to 5. I will divide both sides number 3. Okay. Then 5 by 3 is equal to 5 by 3. It won't change the number. Okay. Similarly, okay, if you take this equation 2x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, I will add 5 both sides. It won't change anything. Okay, that's the reason I am adding 5 both sides, plus 4x minus 5 plus 5. I am adding right side also plus 5. Okay, So here anyhow 5 is get cancelled, subtracted 5 minus 5, you will get 2x square plus 4x is equal to 5. That's the reason in the equal sign, when you are moving to other side, it will change the direction. Or you can write it like this, okay, adding 5 on the both sides, okay, this will get cancelled, and you will get the 2x square plus 4x is equal to 5. Continuation to this, I'll divide or whatever you can do, right, in both sides. It won't change things. Okay, I'll write the two equations. For example, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, one equation. Another equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is, I said that this entire is 0, this entire 0, this entire 0. If you add the equations both, okay, that is also 0. For example, if you take add, you can take x as a common here, right? If you are adding, okay, that means a1x plus a2x. Similarly, b1y plus b2y plus c1 plus c2 also equal to 0. Even if you subtract both, that is also 0, right? Because the entire in here it is 0, n into 0. That's the reason I said any number adding to the both sides is 0. Okay, if you are adding this side here 0, anyhow this entire expression is 0, right? It is showing here 0. So 0 plus 0 here, and enter this expression plus this expression plus again 0. You can add it also like this. Even you can subtract, okay? Even you can multiply, okay? Both are zeros, okay? That's why when you are solving the equations, right, we can multiply any numbers, and we try to eliminate some of the constant and trying to find out the other unknown numbers, okay? Similarly, when you write some equations something like that, 2x is equal to 5, then x is equal to 5 by 2, will write how it comes, okay? It's very simple to, as I said, right, 2x is equal to 5. Divide both sides of the equation with 2. Okay, so what we get, 2x by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, so x is equal to 5 by 2. That's the reason you write very simple way directly. While taking other side, you will make it to divide and make it 5 by 2. X is equal to 5 by 2 directly. What is 0 by 6 or 0 by 5, 0 by 100, like any number, okay? So you always default write 0, right? What does that mean? You are dividing the 0 into 6 times. Division symbol is you are dividing the numerator term to those many number of times. That's almost you are giving the 0 to everybody, okay? So you are distributing 0 chocolates to the 6 members, then each one will get 0, okay? That's the reason you write 0 by any number, okay? 0 by any number is always 0, right? So if you write 6 by 0, so what does it mean, okay? So 6 you are dividing to the 0 members. 0 members means you did not understand, okay? So if you are dividing 6 by 1 means 6 is you are dividing to the 1 person, okay? 6 by 2 means 6 you are distributing to the 2 people, okay? 6 by 0 means it does not understand, it does not have any physical meaning. That's why we are calling like not defined or undefined term, okay? Anything. So any number divided by 0 is undefined.